Well, that's not a good thing to start your day with. I thought we were gonna do the fire trick, the lighter fluid around the edge. We tried that once. It didn't go over very well. So today we are installing on Chris's F430 a brand new FI exhaust. Shout out to FI. Full headers all the way back exhaust. So it's gonna be a dramatic difference in sound. We're gonna take the car over to the garage. In the meantime, we'll have some fun, twist Matt's arm and see if we can steal a few cars out of the showroom.
Some pre-scratched, you're good.
FI, nice.
The FI exhaust. Let me hear it stock one more time. One more? Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. It's not very loud, but it sounds pretty good. See that, Chris?
Oh yeah, we're getting
It's a diffuser. There's a differential, Chris. What happened there?
I don't know.
That little weld. Okay, just wait in the Hummer for a minute. I have an idea. Mr. August, you seem to have a police dog.
This is Ounce, who's one of our August K9 dogs.
Because you do security here at the lot with the dogs as well.
Yeah, George and Ounce.
George?
They patrol the lot at night.
He looks so cute and fluffy and cuddly.
Exactly. I'll say. Oh, not good.
Oh, he tore his hair off!
Holy crap! See, he knows I'm a good guy. Just rip his head off?
More than his head. He got 2 ears, a head. I see some intestines.
I would not want to be on the other end of that. Good boy. Lost! He knows I'm a good guy. What are you gonna do? Huh? What?
Okay.
What kind of car do I get? What kind of car do I get? Lamborghini! What kind of car? What kind of car? I'm gonna Corvette! I want a Corvette! Rest! Good boy! Rest!
Wow.
Yes!
And then he's just totally normal.
Well, there you have it. Are you scared in there?
No.
Oh yeah, I got a header on there. That looks good. How's it fit and everything so far?
Very tight.
Very tight.
Yeah, we won't need any bolts. It'll just hold itself on there.
All right, kids, here is the stock exhaust. Now, it's not entirely stock. These are the stock exhaust manifolds. Famous for cracking on the 430. An aftermarket titanium. Oh, it is titanium. Not the cleanest welds on it. Not very loud. The FI with the valve system will definitely provide more audible noise for Chris Poulet. And then we have these heavy old gals. Those are the catalytic converters. We don't need those. Actually, a new car, buddy. 2003 3 Series, David. Come take your car. Oh, that was in the way. That's actually a sick car. It was just getting some work done. It's recently sold by Mazda, and it was getting a battery charge, so it's good to go for the new customer. Would you want a Spider?
A Spider's cool. I feel like I'm more of a coupe guy.
Well, you're 40 plus now, so Spider that's your demo right there.
I would get a Spider versus you because I have the hair for the wind to blow through.
What are you talking about, Jamie? Add hair to my head. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. That's a Canadian hockey puck alignment.
That is a Canadian hockey puck alignment.
That is perfect. Oh, got this in there. Oh, snap. Those look way better than those other ones. Where's the other ones? Where's the janky ones?
Janky. Titanium.
There's janky titanium. This is gonna be a little bit longer because I still have to do like a valve system and then make sure everything works.
For sure.
So I thought it'd be cool for you to drive another supercar. You've driven obviously a Ferrari. Now it's time to drive a Lamborghini. I have a special treat for you. Yeah, you're gonna drive a Lamborghini right now.
What one?
That's an F-150. That wasn't it. No.
Ryan's
We're gonna get you the Huracan.
Holy shit.
Yep.
August Luxury Motor Cars, and today we are selling a Lamborghini
Sunday. Chris Poulet, never been in a Huracan before. Right here, right now. David Fryer, first time ride.
Let's go.
Saddle up, cowboy.
Woohoo!
Thanks for giving me a stock Huracan so I can appreciate what mine's like.
Holy crap. Who sits in this? Mike has short legs.
Howdy ho, here's what I'm thinking. Get gas, and let's go to Predator for a little cruise in the windy roads.
I like it.
Wanna do
You
that?
know what I was just noticing? Because this is a all-wheel drive, this is the 610. In my head, I was wanting to say 580 and 610 at the same time. My brain's not working. Because it has a front diff, the steering is very like tight and pulls a little.
It's actually the same. Your car's just janky and beat, so it feels way looser.
Dave's talking. You can't put up with that?
No more cars for Dave.
Bring Bring the dog out right now. Bring the dog out.
No dog.
You've never been in one of these before. So right here, you hold this down. You can kind of go toggle between all your gauges. We can go here, media menu, nav. You can do a big nav screen. But I'm gonna go with the big tack.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. You can tell we're out of gas, so we're gonna need to get some gas. And then you can toggle through everything right here. So this is kind of like, instead of the, not maraschino, mannatino switch on your steering wheel, this is everything right here for the Lambo. Where my car, we were in my car and it has no TC on, the 1,000 horsepower and being rear wheel drive, it would just do a burnout right into third gear.
Yeah.
But this thing, look, we're in a corner.
It just grabs
You see the butterflies when you hit third gear. You see how fast this thing shifts? Especially compared to your car where you have a single clutch with the F430. That trans has a significant delay. Now when it first came out, everybody was like, this is mind-blowing. But then you really like the Huracan technology, pretty rad.
Don't cut me off!
You get it? Do you hit the 91? Yeah, hit the 91. Oh, there we go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you prevent COVID-19. You ask your friends to do it. I want a 610 all-wheel drive, so the winner's on it.
Yep.
E-box.
You actually have winters for that car in your garage at home right now.
I do.
So let's drive it
I also have a supercharger still sitting at VF that I took off my other car.
Really?
Yeah, I could
It's actually on my Squadron now. He doesn't know that I use it on my Squadron, so.
Hey, I could build a second Huracan.
You could.
I'm gonna start a
You just need to buy a new
Huracan fleet.
supercharger.
I'm gonna buy a Huracan fleet.
Yeah, you got a supercharger for your car. His supercharger's in my car now. He doesn't understand that. I traded it in. Yes. All right, Damon. What's on the dossier today for snacks?
I don't know. This is usually what you like to throw down your throat. A little bit of meat tube. All right, so we're gonna go for a cruise. Just a chill.
Hold on.
Way back there.
Now, Chris and I have been driving around for years and, you know, to be honest with you, pretty slow cars like Hondas, things like that back in the day. So right now with Damon, he's probably absolutely f***ing himself.
Holy man.
Goes quick, eh? Yeah. When you're in control of a supercar with a lot of power, a lot of torque, and all-wheel drive, you can really mess. Like Alex Choi, shout out to Alex Choi, used to do this to his co-pilots all the time. He'd be like chilling, and all of a sudden he'd just be like... He likes to do it with his Tesla because it has so much torque. Okay, we're gonna switch. We have a beautiful view though. Lakeside, time for Chris to drive. What do you think, Chris?
I'm excited.
It's pretty rad.
Yeah.
Chris is gonna drive now. It's his turn, don't you think?
How you feeling, Chris?
Stoked.
It's a sick car, bro.
It is.
Here's the thing, like, Damon is, I hate to give you a compliment, but a very skilled driver in these cars. I hate myself. So, the person to go with for a supercar ride is Damon. He'll actually scare you. Chris and I have been in cars since we were kids. That's probably the scariest experience you've ever had in a supercar, or a car in general.
I think we should move. Let's go. There's a huge truck coming. So smooth, right?
Yeah.
The thing about the double clutch is if you aren't being aggressive, it's super smooth. Yeah. It's a completely different feel from your car, the F430, or really any Ferrari. Lamborghini has something about their cars where they really make you feel confident behind the wheel because they're so planted. They have that like dampening within the steering feel. It's one of those cars that if you're just smooth, it feels fast and fun.
Right. No aggressive shifts of the steering wheel.
Right?
Braking.
Yeah, it's just a fun car to drive. Beautiful out here though, like the views, the lake. This is a good. This guy's like, get on it.
Yeah.
You see that? He was like. And then you got the ceramic brakes. Like, give those a good push. Camera him.
Holy, that's way better.
Right?
Chris must be having the time of his life in that Huracan. Oh, I love driving supercars. Once it gets in your blood, like once you experience cars in general, it only elevates from there.
Fun. Foot on the brake.
Yep.
Left foot.
Yep.
Hammer the gas. Hammer it. Let off the brake. Yeah, that's launch control. It's aggressive. Yeah, those shifts. Somebody likes the shifts. And the brakes. Somebody likes the brakes too. Lost Dave so many times.
I know, he was gone.
Instead of a faster car, we just need to get Dave some driving lessons.
How you doing, buddy? How's that? You have fun?
That's an incredible experience.
Little launch control action there, one.
Today's video just went from straight piping my F430, sounds amazing, to straight piping my F430 and selling it
For a Huracan.
Do you want one of these? Would you want a Huracan?
I told you not to let him drive it, that it would ruin the 430 experience.
I'm not gonna lie to you, Chris. I know what sex appeal looks like, and well, that is sex right there. Look at that exhaust, the headers, the straight pipes. Oh, dude. This is gonna absolutely scream. Are you a little bit nervous for your straight pipe F430 that you're gonna trade in right away for a Huracan?
I don't know, I live in a condo, so I don't know if the neighbors are gonna...
What are you doing?
Your exhaust is done. You guys ready to hear this? I'm so fired up. Straight pipe F430 exhaust. Ready? Chris, what are you doing? Stop looking at it. Turn the car on.
Chris.
Start the car. People want to hear it.
Grab that! Oh my God. Do it again! Do it again! Listen to the echo in the garage. Hey Chris, good luck with the cops.
Yeah. Okay, let's take him for a drive so we can get a thumbnail of him being arrested.
Yeah, I am seriously deaf from that. That speed bump! Jeez, that thing sounds nuts. Woo! Okay, thanks FI for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want an FI exhaust,
If you want that sound,
click the link in the description and grab one today. They make it for many makes and models, not just Ferrari owners. It's a little loud, but it sounds amazing, you guys. Now we with the Manachino, what's that button called?
Marshmallow.
The marshmallow button has a little bit of an issue. We're in a marshmallow button error. So right now, it's stuck in mode, which is snow mode. So we gotta get that looked at. It is a 15-year-old Ferrari. We're messing around with some wires, things like that. Sometimes little glitches happen. But August Garage is best in the game. Hey. Sounds so good. Oh yeah, you gotta keep the RPMs really high to really enjoy that sound. That's how you roll up like a prop.
You know what that is, you guys? What's in that truck and trailer right now?
What do you got in here for us?
Hold on there, fella.
Look at this. Oh, we can't show anymore. We can't show anymore. First thoughts on the new 2020 C8 Corvette.
Did you know it come that color?
No, that's crazy. I've never seen that before.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nicer than I thought.
How'd they do that?
We're gonna let you guys know what color it is in the next vlog. We're gonna do a full reveal. The car's finally here, but that's it for today. What do they need to do?
Well, first of all, go and thank August Motorcars for making this happen. Then, click the link in the description for an FI exhaust, making for all makes and models. Anything you want, they'll make it for. Prius, they'll make that too. And then smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Peace. Peace.
Crazy. It's nuts.
Well, time for you to drive it.
Not like that.
And scare
Not
Damon.
like that.
Scare Damon.
Don't scare me.
Put it in the water, Chris! Damon can't swim! That's not what I meant, Dave!
Right in with the ducks.
Fucking beautiful, by the way.
Oh, it's gorgeous up here. This road's really cool. It's got some corners and
Just gonna go myself.